In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who has viewed Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in Google Drive to check viewing activity on your files or folders, plus a few tips to make sense of what you're seeing. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. In the top right corner of the page, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon. This opens a menu of Google services. From here, select Drive to launch Google Drive in a new tab. Once Drive opens, locate the file or folder you want to check. This could be in My Drive, a shared folder, or a shared drive. Click once to select it. Selecting the right item matters, because the activity you'll view next is tied to the specific file or folder you've highlighted. With the item selected, look for the three vertical dots to open the More Actions menu. Click those dots. A menu will drop down with options related to the item you picked. From this menu, choose Folder Information if you selected a folder. If you selected a file, the option may appear as File Information. Either way, you're opening the same Details panel for the item. When the Information panel opens on the right side, you'll see tabs such as Details and Activity. Click on Activity. This is where Drive summarizes what's happened with your file or folder over time. You'll see entries that may include views, edits, comments, shares, and other actions, each with timestamps and, when available, the names of collaborators who performed them. A few notes to help you interpret what you see. Viewer data may depend on your account type and your organization's settings. In some Google Workspace environments, view history can be limited or turned off by an administrator, which means you might see general activity but not a list of specific viewers. Also, viewer information typically shows up when someone has access and actually opened the item, not just when it appears in their drive. If the list seems incomplete, confirm the item is shared with the right people and that you're checking the correct file or folder. You can scroll through the Activity tab to review older events and use it to spot trends, like who recently accessed a document before a meeting or who last updated a shared folder. That's all there is to it. Open Google, head to Drive, select your item, open the Information panel, and review activity to see who has viewed your content.